Need to print photos, emails, or messages straight from your iPhone? If you're using an iPhone 17, iPhone 16, iPhone 15, iPhone 14, or any modern iPhone, you don't need a computer at all. With AirPrint, you can print everything instantly in just a few taps. First, make sure your iPhone and your printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. That part really matters because AirPrint only works when both devices are on the same network. Now, just open whatever you want to print. If it's a photo, go to the Photos app and open the picture. Tap the Share icon. Scroll a bit and tap Print. Your iPhone will automatically find available printers. Just select yours, whether you want color or black and white, then choose how many copies you want, and pick your paper size. If you want the best result, set the print quality to Best. Once everything looks good, tap Print and you're all set. If it's an email, open it in the Mail app. Tap the three dots, then tap Print All. You'll see a few more options here, like page range, orientation, and layout. Adjust everything you need, then hit Print. Now, for text messages, there's no direct print option. The easiest way is to take a screenshot of the message, then print that screenshot just like a photo. Once you tap Print, your iPhone will send it straight to your printer. No cables, no extra steps. And that's it. You can print pretty much anything from your iPhone in just a few taps.